Hello friends, welcome back. It's been a long time since I made my last video which you are watching Leaf and Life. So today is 7th of September 2020 and this plant that you are seeing right now, it's called purslane, and this plant is it's very nutritious. This is also known as loni or kulfa in Hindi. So in India it is known as loni or kulfa, and it is used in vegetables as a vegetable, and this has kind of sour and salty taste. It is a combination of sour, both sour and salty, and this grows on its own. So I mean the seeds just get into the soil and they stay in the soil for a very long time. They are very robust, and they can stay in the soil for as long as the 25 years. So yeah, that is how long it can stay in the soil. And given the right conditions, it rained in August, so now this plant has grown in size and it has spread. You can see the stems are thick, and the leaves are like teardrop in shape, and then the places where you can see the buds coming up, you would be able to see yellow colored small flowers. When the sun is up, it would open up and will show the yellow colored flowers. Now this plant is great as both food and medicine. It has got a cancer fighting spirit ability, and it can be as I said, eaten as a salad, a vegetable, or it can be used in stir fry. This is very common. You can see it across the globe, and in Southeast Asia you can see it as well. This particular plant grows around the sidewalk. When you go and move around, you can see this plant with thick stem. It has a reddish tint on the stem as well. Okay, now this has got a lot of qualities. It has got omega-3 fatty acids, many fibers, vitamins A, B, C, E, minerals like you have magnesium, calcium, iron, manganese, potassium, copper, etc. So all those minerals are present in this plant, and this is a very versatile plant. It is basically an antibiotic as well. It has got antioxidant properties. It has got antiviral properties as well. It can be used as antiseptic. It is an antifungal as well. So this controls hypertension, and it is good for the heart. It is an energy booster in case you feel fatigued and you really want some energy going in. And the other thing is that there are certain conditions in which this cannot be used or should not be used, it is said, which is like in case of patients who have kidney stones, this should not be used. For pregnant women, this should not be used. Kids who are less than 5 years of age, they should not use this or eat this. And then prior to surgery or operations, in case you are having a surgery or operation coming up, or you are scheduled for that, then you should avoid this plant. But otherwise it's a very good plant. It can be used in moderation, and as I said, it is both a food as well as a medicine. So this is a very good addition to your daily diet, and it also has weight reducing properties to some extent. So with all these qualities, and the fact that it is basically this plant is you take it for granted. So this is something that you take it for granted when you look at this plant, but it has so many properties that it is it's a very healthy plant overall. So it is both a food and a medicine, and that is all about this plant. There is just one thing I'd like to tell you is that I did not grew this plant on my own. I do not have the seed for it. it just grows on its own. So the shelf life of the root of the plant is 25 years. Yeah, it's much more than you would expect in most plants, but it has a very dormant period in which it can grow given the conditions and the right amount of water. If the conditions are right, water is right, it is just going to grow and spread like it did in my case. So the plant that you see right now, I did not buy it. I did not have the seed for it. The seed was already present in the soil. I did not seed at all, and it grew as soon as the rains appeared. So you see, so it is no investment, no nothing, no cost at all, and this plant you can eat it and you can enjoy it. So that is how it is. It's called purslane. It's Purslane, and also known as kulfa or loni in India. So that's all about this plant, and I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like, subscribe and share, and do take care. Okay then, bye for now. Thank you all.